Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened in the market today and what is expected tomorrow in the market. So let's open this slide, this chart for Nifty and what we said is market has to break this low or this high for the trade. Otherwise, we need to wait for the breakout so that we can take a trade. Market remained volatile inside this range for a longer period till the end of the day and then gave a breakout after 3 p.m. So which is doesn't make a good trade. So no trade. But the good point is that if you look at this day, I mean, market has given a breakout of all-time high again. Now it's standing at the all-time high. It has created new all-time high. Let's see like how to trade further for this all-time high, right? So simple thing is it is going to gap up. I'm not seeing any other scenario now. If there is a gap up only, I'll be trading. Or if it comes down, I'm going to look for only buy scenarios and my only scenario that I'm kind of expecting is that a gap up and definitely a dip. After the dip reversal, go for trade. So simple as such. So we will not look at any other trade. So any other scenario because market is become high bullish. So we need to only scenario I'm kind of talking about for tomorrow is that it is expected to do a gap up, take a dip and then reverse. So this is the trade on reversal. Take a trade 100 points. This I could see it for tomorrow. We'll not talk about any other scenario for tomorrow. Let's look at the bank nifty what we can do, what we had said. So we said that if it breaks this high, so we can go for long and market from here. It gave 500 points. So it was a very simple trade for bank nifty. It went keep on going up, and then gave a good trade for at the end of the day. And what can we expect if we look at things on a higher perspective? Like if you see market has on given a reversal for a day, so it has broken the previous high of the day and it is swing and it has given a good breakout now. So what we can expect market next target is this is going to be the target. So only thing that I was coming in between us is that it is exactly close at the top of the channel. So we have to see whether it is going to respect this channel or is going to continue to reach the target of that one. So we have to see it. But for tomorrow, definitely we can look for it. If there is gap up, I think and doesn't come inside of this channel for at least for 1 hour, we can see that the market is not going to follow the channel and continue with the trend. So the only scenario here also like I'm not seeing. Any bearish trend until it crosses 46 800, right? Until it comes down below this one, we'll not talk about bearish scenario. So I'm seeing only bullish scenario where gap up would is expected and deep and reversal so that we can go for it. It easily 270 points or 300 points we can expect for bank nifty. This I could see it. So Reliance, I think it was like it did not work on anyways. Today it was totally sideways. So I was expecting at least the breakout of thing. We can expect market go a little bit down or up based on the swing it is breaking, right. But market was totally sideways. It did not do anything. So the first scenario is that if it breaks today's high, right, market if it breaks today's high, and there is one trend line coming up from the top, so we have to see whether it is going to respect that or not. If it breaks that also, at least we can see that target again to all time high 2970 is what I am expecting if it breaks today's high. And the second thing is if it breaks the low today's low, we can expect market going down further. Other again, there is a trend line from below. If it breaks, we can expect market going for 20 points below. So this is since it is like having in a working in a box again. It is getting conversed by a triangle. So it is very hard to decide the market how it is going to trade tomorrow, and it looks to be very confusing for Reliance. So as I said, if it breaks today's high, go for long. At least the all-time high we can expect. That is the high probability scenario I could see it. In case if it breaks today's low, we have to see whether it is going to break this trend line and continues. Then we can expect again 29,000, 2,900 we can expect. So these are about Reliance, and this is what I've captured. No trade today until the market breaks range. So market broke at the end of the day. So no trade expectation for Nifty, only gap up. I'm expecting long after dip and reversal, target 100 points. We'll keep it very simple. We will not have many scenarios for tomorrow, and we'll go with this one and then take a trade accordingly. Otherwise, if there is no, if any other scenarios there, you have to see the price action and take the trade accordingly. If you like the analysis, you can put a like to this video and subscribe to this channel and share with your friends who are trading and interested to trade. Thanks for watching this video.